thrill seekers people.
Okay. You watching?
It's going, yep.
Technique.
Okay.
Whoa!
What is up, you guys? Thanks for tuning in to the video. I'm out here on the Parker Strip of the Colorado River yet again below Lake Havasu, and I've got the kayak again. The plan was to do a float with the boys. Spencer and Payton are with me. They've both been on the channel before. They're in Payton's little blow-up raft. The plan was to put in up north closer to the dam and then just let the current take us down river for a couple miles, fish the whole day. That did not work. The wind has been crazy and it's been actually pushing us upriver. It's June, super hot, or it's almost June. Really, really hot out. It's like 100 degrees, so let's get it. Yep. Yep. Really dark one. Holy cow, he's like black. Sheesh. Dark fish. That's sweet. Thanks, buddy. Alright, first drop saw fish. Launched my worm back at me. Attaboy, dude. Oh, dude, I got a good one. Yeah.
Dude, you gotta come over and get a fish.
Oh my gosh, dude. Holy cow. Oh my gosh. This isn't my PB, but probably like 3. I haven't even seen him yet, but he's not dogging me as much as that other big one did. Oh, come here, buddy. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, it's a good one. That's not nearly as big, but that's a freaking good fish right there, guys. Dude, I need to get closer. Dude, look at those smallies. That's freaking sick. Woo!
That's sick, man. We got a triple up next time.
They're so cool, man. I freaking love these fish. Just back in this cove. Man, these fish fight so hard. Oh my gosh. Not even a big boy. Fishing's a little different, fishing pretty deep right now. But yeah, I'm gonna go for a swim, cool off. Thanks for being here. Let's go catch some more. If I catch a really, really big one, you know, something that approximates my PB that I caught on the last trip, that almost 5-pounder, that freaking tank. If I almost catch one that size, I'll bust out the big camera. Other than that, I think I'm just gonna keep you guys on the GoPro. Oh, yeah. Oh, cool little guy. Oh, he's dogging. Sheesh. What are you doing, buddy? Oh, yeah, guys. Jerkbait fish. So fun. Oh, he's pretty. Super yellow. Oh my gosh, look at that. So yellow. That's crazy. That's got to be one of the most gold smallies I've ever seen. That's cool. There we go. That's a good one. Maybe not. It's so hard to tell big fish from little fish. It's like a decent little couple pounder. So many fish. This place is freaking sick. On the drop shot. Oh, he's got somebody's. Oh, he's got a crawdad down there. Oh man, so sick. On the drop shot. Thanks, buddy. Yes. Like as he eats it?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
I just knocked him in the head. He didn't like that.
Are these like punching dudes?
Oh, dude, come back, you fool. You fool of Duke.
Oh. I love this place. There we go. There we go on the Berkeley Stunner. On the pause. Good one. Oh yeah. There we go. Yeah. Berkeley Stunner, good fish. They're so cool. Just look at that guy. Cool fish. Such a cool pattern. Oh, he's ready to go. Thanks, buddy. Alright guys, well, I'm gonna hide in some shade here. It is freaking warm. It's like 105, I think. Oh, super sweaty. I've gone for a bunch of swims this trip. Thanks for tuning in. It was a sick trip. Payton and Spence both were able to get in some dope fish. Spence caught a big hybrid, big red ear. That's what Havasu is known for. Everybody caught smallmouth, you know, approximating 2.5, 3 pounds. Payton caught the big fish of the trip. We didn't have, you know, my scale died, but it was probably a little less than 3.5. I don't know, it was a good fish. Yeah, it's a super fun time. I caught pretty much all my fish on the drop shot this time. A little morning dawn 6-inch robo worm, but just casting out. If the current was really strong, I just threw the jerkbait. I got a few fish on the jerkbait on the Rapala X-Strap like I did last time in ghost color. And then this time I threw the Berkeley Stunner. I don't know what the color's name. It's kind of purple on top and green on bottom. Really kind of clear in the middle. We've been some pretty places, like even without catching fish. This river is dope. River fishing's my jam. That's where my happy place is. But I don't know if I'm gonna come back here. At least for a while. I've got a year left in Arizona and a whole lot of other fishing to do. So I've hit this area pretty hard this year. You know, this is my third trip, my third video. So if you guys haven't seen the other videos, maybe I'll throw them up right here. and right here. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you enjoyed the content, consider subscribing. I'm trying to get to 2,000. We're getting close. You guys are the best. Now go catch some fish. Peace.